When you search for the best electric citrus juicer for lemons, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims, and honestly, it can be confusing. But to find the one that truly delivers fresh juice and makes your life easier, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Electric Citrus Juicer. First up is the Elite Gourmet ETS 623. This compact juicer caught my eye with its sleek black and stainless steel design and its affordable price of just $13.99. If you want a reliable juicer that handles large volumes with ease, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 24 ounces, it's perfect for making up to 3 cups at a time, which is great for serving guests or a family breakfast. The auto-reversing reamer means less effort for you and more juice extracted from your fruit. And cleanup is a breeze, it's dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended for longevity. Now, some users have mentioned that the construction feels a bit less durable over time, which can be a concern. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something budget-friendly and efficient for occasional use, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're short on space but still want to enjoy fresh juice. Skip this one if you're juicing daily and need something heavier duty. For the price, you really can't beat the performance. Now, if the compact design of the Elite Gourmet isn't quite what you're looking for, the next juicer really ups the ante with a larger capacity. Product number 2, Procter Silex Alex's Lemonade Stand Juicer. Next, we have the Procter Silex Alex's Lemonade Stand Juicer priced at $25.95. What really stands out is its mission. $1 from each purchase goes to support childhood cancer research. If you're looking to make your juice count, this is a solid option. This model boasts a 34-ounce pitcher, which is fantastic for family gatherings or parties. The automatic reversing function is a nice touch, making it easier to squeeze every drop from your lemons. And if you're particular about pulp, the adjustable pulp control dial lets you customize your juice just the way you like it. However, some people noted that the plastic body feels a bit less sturdy compared to metal alternatives. I get that, but considering the price point and the charitable aspect, it feels like a worthwhile investment for occasional juicing. This is perfect for families or anyone who loves to make fresh lemonade. Skip this if you prefer a more durable, professional-grade juicer. It's a great value, especially with the added benefit of supporting a good cause. Alright, if the Procter Silex's plastic build concerns you, our next pick offers a premium feel without sacrificing performance. Product number 3, Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer. Coming in at $49.49, the Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer is designed for those who want a quieter, hands-free juicing experience. If you want efficiency and a stylish look, you should check this one out. This juicer operates with a quiet 300-watt motor, perfect for early mornings or shared spaces. The compact design means it won't take up too much counter space, and it's stylish enough to leave out. Plus, cleanup is hassle-free with rinse-friendly parts. Now, I did find that some users wished it had a larger juice container. But honestly, if you're mostly juicing for yourself or a couple of servings, that shouldn't really deter you. This is perfect for anyone who loves juicing but doesn't want the noise. Skip it if you often host large gatherings where you need to juice a lot at once. It's worth the investment for its performance and quiet operation. If you want something that handles larger batches without the noise issues, let's look at the next option. Product number 4, Procter Silex Electric Citrus Juicer. Next up is another Procter Silex option, this time a similar model at $24.95. If you loved the idea of a large pitcher but want a different color scheme, this one's for you. This juicer also features a 34-ounce pitcher, making it easy to serve juice for a crowd. The dual nesting reamers allow you to juice everything from limes to grapefruits effortlessly, and the automatic reversal helps get every last bit of juice. Plus, it has a pulp control feature, which is a great way to customize your drink. However, some reviews pointed out that the reamers can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's not a huge hassle, especially since the pitcher and parts are dishwasher safe. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys fresh juice regularly without spending a fortune. Skip this if you want something more compact, as it does take up a bit more space. For its price, you really get a lot of juice for your money. Now, if you're looking for something even more efficient in juice extraction, let's check out the next one. Product number 5, LEB&LANG Orange Juicer Electric. Finally, we have the LEB&LANG Orange Juicer Electric priced at $26.99. If you want a juicer that promises to maximize yield with minimal effort, this one's worth your attention. This model features dual rotation for maximum juice extraction, meaning you won't have to squeeze hard at all, just press lightly and enjoy your fresh juice. With a 24-ounce container, it's perfect for families, and it even has a smart anti-fruit pulp system that ensures clear juice with minimal residue, which is a nice touch for those who dislike pulp. Plus, it's easy to clean as all parts are dishwasher safe. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky. I'll be real with you, if you have limited counter space, that could be an issue. But if you're okay with a slightly larger footprint for a better juicing experience, it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for anyone who wants a quick and efficient juicing process. Skip this if you have a really small kitchen or need something ultra-compact. For the price, it offers great functionality and ease of use. To recap, we've covered the Elite Gourmet for budget-friendly juicing, the Procter Silex Alex's Lemonade Stand for those who want to give back, the quieter Eurolux, another Procter Silex for larger gatherings, and the efficient LEB&LANG. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.